Hey Paisanis, how you doing today? Welcome to dinner time with the Italian guy. Alright, today we're gonna some scrumptious meals, TV dinner style. Today we have Hungry Man, Southern fried popcorn chicken. Good. Let's see how this comes. Comes with chicken, popcorn chicken. Let's see. Grab one of them bad Larrys. Look at that. Popcorn chicken. There you go. Show you the whole plate in a second. Prop this back up. Alright, cool. So, corn, mashed potatoes, and some popcorn chicken. And we're not gonna forget the brownie. If I had to live off one thing, this is the ideal meal. Next to maybe turkey. Anyways, try some popcorn chicken. Shall we? Pretty nice inside. Chicken wise, the one thing I like about TV dinners, the chicken doesn't come out crispy. Going in for some mashed potatoes. Not bad looking, huh? You know, I used to eat this stuff all the time as a kid. But if you know what I'm talking about, the mashed potatoes, it's either the plastic or the way they make them. It's got that trademark taste of mashed potatoes coming out of the tray. I don't know what it is, I can't describe it. It's got the same exact taste, time and time again. So, going for some corn. Now, the corn is surprisingly good. I'm not a huge corn guy, but it's not bad. More taters. Alright. I know, you never saw chicken before, so you want some. That's not a bad looking piece of chicken. Really isn't. They're huge, real chicken chunks. That's not bad at all, you know? I just wish a little more crunchier. I don't know, maybe I didn't read the directions. No, that's not good. There you go, it's a good shot. I'm telling you. Man. That's like almost like a meatball size chicken. It's not bad at all. But anyways, the chicken itself, my taste could be a little crunchier, but still, it ain't bad. Again, perfect for kids. Hungry Man style, I don't know, I saw what, 6 or something? Not bad. Well, you caught my secret. Oh well. Gotta hold it up somehow. Not bad. Not really not bad. Chicken. Alright, let's see what we got now. You got enough of that? Let's see. 660 calories. Savory mashed potatoes. Sweet corn. 26 grams of protein. Peppery popcorn chicken. I did not get the peppery part. I don't know. brownie. I guess, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. It's not bad, it really isn't. Push that a little bit back over there, prop everything back up. Okay, so again, mashed potatoes are mashed potatoes, but they're TV dinner mashed potatoes from Hungry Man. Corn is just good. You know, I haven't had a ton of them, but I've had enough of them to say I've never dug into the corn and got crap. You know? It's like they're always tasty or something. So you get 6 big pieces of chicken. Hey, gotta love the taters. Oh, let's break that brownie open. See how that was cooked. Ah, look at that, huh? Right out of the plastic tray. Delicioso, huh? Look at that. That's nice. Yes, for the guys who said I can't cook, yes. I put it in the oven, I freaking put it on a timer, and voila, I'm a chef, okay? Absolutely. That's cooking, big dude. Anyways, thank you for watching. Alright guys, anyways, this is Hungry Man, alright, TV dinner style. This is the Italian Guy's food tour, and I'll be back with another one soon, so keep watching. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, please subscribe, and manja, eat up baby, TV style.